This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the BioMaryland booth at Bio International 2014 here in San Diego. I have with me Mr. Michael Rosen from Forest City Science Tech Group. It's a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange, and the symbol is FCE. Welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Great to be here with you again.
It's good to see you. You look terrific.
Thank you.
For those of you who don't recognize you or know much about the company, why don't you give us an overview of what Forest City does?
Great, thank you. So Forest City is actually a 100-year-old company headquartered in Cleveland. This division of Forest City owns, builds, and runs science parks. And we have 5 science parks in the U.S. To date, and those parks include MIT, University of Pennsylvania, Johns Hopkins School of Medicine in Baltimore, and also Northwestern University in Chicago.
So you get around.
We get around.
So what's new?
So what's new is our park at Johns Hopkins is an incredible effort with the #1 hospital in the United States. We're building an 88-acre science park that includes not only life science buildings, but also residential. There's a brand new school, kindergarten through 8th grade. And so it's a whole community development project.
It actually sounds like a small city to me.
It is, exactly. If you know that area in East Baltimore, it's an area that has kind of been dying for redevelopment and putting new life. And the goal is not just gentrification of the area, but in actually community development, providing jobs, training, as well as new science jobs.
Having been to Johns Hopkins and having done tours and seen what's going on in the area, all I could say is it's a wonderful, wonderful endeavor that you're taking part in, because that area really cried out for it.
Yes. Yes. So the amazing thing is, Johns Hopkins, again, #1 hospital in the United States for the last 23 years, as ranked by U.S. News and World Report. Also, a #1 recipient of NIH funding. So kind of a mother lode of science, particularly medicine. And it's, I think, important to create this science park with the idea of attracting companies from around the globe that want to develop new technologies with Johns Hopkins.
Well, not only that, but you have the ability to have the tech transfer coming out of Johns Hopkins be developed further for commercialization right next door.
Yes. So we actively work with Johns Hopkins Technology Transfer to help their company spin out. When we first got there, Hopkins was only spinning out about 3 new companies a year. Hopkins now is spinning out about 12 to 15 new companies a year.
So when is it going to be first phase finished?
Well, the first phase is actually, I would say, completed. We basically took 33 acres of what was slum area and have kind of cleaned that up. We have now the new Maryland Department of Health and Mental Hygiene, a 234,000 square foot lab building is going to be inaugurated this summer. We've got the first life science building, 280,000 square feet, almost filled completely at this point. We built a 22-story graduate student housing building.
This is major stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I just want you to know. So you talk about 2015, 2016. I know you're a public company. I'm not asking you for any forward-looking statements, but what's next? Well, what's next is clearly the lifeblood is life science building. So we're looking to get the next life science building off the ground, working with Johns Hopkins. We're also building several new residential projects there. We hope to get a hotel off the ground in the near future. So that hopefully would be part of the development plan of the area. Well, you got a great partner. Yes. And you're in a great state. Yes, of course. Maryland is incredible the governor has been so supportive of the biotech industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a website for more information, please. So www.forestcityscience.net or scienceparkjohnshopkins.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Rosen, Forest City Science Tech Group. It's a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange. The symbol is FCE. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the BioMaryland booth of Bio International 2014 right here in San Diego. Michael, be well. You look terrific. See you soon. Thanks for the opportunity again. You're welcome. Anytime. Bye.